Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to share a project file in CapCut. So there is actually no straightforward process to do this, but there is an alternative way so that you could go ahead and share this through email, Bluetooth, or any means through your desktop app. So as you can see, we're currently onto a project file already here on CapCut. If you're not onto your end, just go ahead and head here, also onto the editing page. So if you've noticed here, on to the right side of it, there should be details regarding the project that you're currently creating. So here on the details, you should be able to find in the path where this specific file folder is located. So if you click onto modify, you should be able to see that one as well in here, that this has been saved to this specific file folder. Now to go ahead and share this, we need to head onto this file folder onto your device. So just open the folder that your project is currently in, and on to my end we have that one over here. And if you right click onto this, there should be an option for you to go ahead and click onto show more option. So if you click onto show more option, there is an option to send this. So send to, then you could go ahead and share this project file from CapCut to a Bluetooth device. You could also compress this to a desktop, documents, fax, and you could also mail this to your friends. So that is just basically it on how you go ahead and share files or share a project file in CapCut. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.